Hello friends, very good morning. Myself Bala. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I'm welcoming you all to my YouTube channel Trial and Traders. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video we are going to discuss again the Bank Nifty trading strategy, which will give you the consistent return over the period of time. That is a short straddle, that is simple short straddle strategy. So two different way. Last video we discussed about the strategy and we are shown our back test. This video we are going to try in two different ways. The same strategy we can do in two different ways, how it became a profitable trade. The simple short straddle strategy, which what are the things we are going to do on this particular strategy. What we are going to do here on, we are selling both ATM call and put at the same time to get the time value as a benefit. So we are created that time frame as intraday. So our entry around 9:30, so that we are going to take on time based conditions. Entry at 9:30, we are going to sell both ATM call and ATM put. So that we are going to do at 9:30. And now what are the stop loss conditions which we are going to make? For we have done a two legs this particular strategy. So one was ATM call we sold. So example, if we are sell this call option at around 100 rupees or 200 rupees or 300 rupees, whatever the premium present at the time, so we are going to be sell that call option at 9:30. What are the premium it is traded? So we are going to place a market order to get that premium sold. The call sold. So how we can make the stop loss for the call? For this 20% of stop loss, we are going to make the position. We are going to put a stop loss for the ATM call sold. That is what 20%. Same like that, we are going to make the stop loss for a sold put option. We can take a stop loss around 20%. In this scenario, if any stop loss hit, we can keep carry the position up to 3 o'clock 10 minutes. So our exit time is at 3:10. So if any leg which triggers your stop loss, if call leg triggers your stop loss, we are going to take our put leg to run till 3:10. If your put leg triggers your stop loss, then our call leg we are going to take up to 3:10. So what are the closing price? Then we are going to close at that 3:10. So that is the condition which we are going to do on this simple short straddle strategy in Bank Nifty option. How it became profitable, or how it giving you profitable trade if you are making a position with this particular thing. So another kind of thing which we are going to take, that is just a second. So what we are going to do on the next one, here the same thing which we are going to do, entry at 9:30. So here we make the stop loss for both the leg at 20%. We are making a 20% stop loss for both leg, and the same exit we are going to take exit at 3:10. But only the condition which is we are changing here, we can put a target for a opposite leg. If any leg can trigger your stop loss, so opposite leg we are going to make the target of 40% for a opposite leg, that is the leg which is open. Then we are going to make a target 40%. In both the cases we are going to one conditions we are not making any stop target. In another condition we are making a 40% target from my sell entry point. So simple how we can make the target. So if you are selling at 100 rupees, so we will be taking the profit around 60 rupees. That is what the concept. So for example, if you sold 100 rupees, our stop loss for the trade is 120 and the target for the trade is 60. That is what a 40% from my sell entry. Okay, here in another case, so we are not making any target, but both the cases we are going to trial the stop loss. Trailing our stop loss to the cost price. So if any leg triggers, we are going to change our position to make the stop loss as a cost price. That is what important for both these cases. For example, if I sold call premium at 100 and put premium at 100 at 9:30. At 9:30 I was doing the trade. So I can make the stop loss 120 in one condition. Here also I'm making a stop loss around 120. So if call stop loss it, I can change put stop loss as cost. If put option may hit my stop loss, I can change my call option stop loss to cost. So this is the way I can manage. So only one side we are going to lose money. So remaining side we are going to not losing any amount. That is what the system which we are going to back test here, and I'm going to back test in a monthly last month because we are using the free trial. So but if you are taking a yearly back test, so it will give you some consistent return over the period of time using the simple yet powerful trading strategy that always giving you the better way. So now we are using the Stock Monk is the website where we can make a straddle or a strangle, whatever the option strategy is, so you can backtest it. The first concept, I'm going to take a short straddle. So it's nothing but here I'm going to take one lot of Bank Nifty ATM call option I'm going to sell, and one lot of ATM put options I'm going to sell. So here I make a stop loss for my trade 20% for each leg. So here I will move my stop loss to cost. See, if any leg stop loss it, move opposite leg stop loss to the cost price. That is what the simple thing which we are moving here. Okay, so now we are going to enter our 9:30. So we will go to exit the same position by 3 o'clock 10 minutes. That is what intraday exit our position. So now from last 1 month result we are going to backtest here, and let's check it out how the result would be. It gives you profit almost 24,000. It generates you the profit. The average expiry profit is around 4,400. So to do that short straddle in a Bank Nifty, so we required around 1.7 lakhs capital. So even if you are doing with the 2 lakh capital or 2.5 lakhs capital, that is about 10% return for a last 1 month. Here 24,000 we got as a overall profit. So the accuracy about the system is around 73%, and the loss percentage is around 27, and the maximum losses happen around 1900, and maximum profit in a single day it is giving you 5,300. And consecutively you may face a 2 days losses, and 6 days you got a consecutive profits, and you see that there is a profit because we are doing a 2 month backtest here. So from 13th July to 14th, so 15 days for our last month and 15 days from this month. So we got approximate profit around 24,000. This is one kind of strategy which we are simply move our stop loss. Once one leg trigger the stop loss, we are going to change our stop loss to cost price. Okay, the same strategy which we are going to apply the target around 40% target for each leg. Okay, but one leg if it is trigger your stop loss, so understand that. So we are going to sell ATM options around 9:30. So whatever the premium we sold, and for example, if you are selling at 100, our stop loss is maintaining 120. Okay. So now another option, if you are selling 100, our stop loss also maintaining 100. If this call option trigger your stop loss, then the put option stop loss modified to cost price. That is what 100 as a stop loss, and the target also maintaining for the stock is around 60. If anything is happen, it will exit your position. That is the scenario which we are going to focus this particular idea, or particular strategy. That now 20% of stop loss and 40% target. The second method which we are going to backtest here. Again the same backtest which we are going to do here, and the profit is little bit less compared to previous strategy. So here you got a 20,000 rupees profit, but it is if you are comparing to 2.5 lakhs capital, it is around 8% return. So average profit is 4,000, little bit decreased, and average daily profit also 900 rupees, it is little bit decreased from previous one. And the maximum losses is 1900 and maximum profit is 2900, but the accuracy it little bit increased around 82%. Previously we got around 73, so here accuracy little bit increased, and but the profit is decreased because we are booking the profit earlier. So for example, if at end of the day, if market in a one direction, the opposite leg is going to be decrease its time value, but we will book that before. That is why the difference between previous and this strategy. Both strategy is powerful. We can create that thing on our TradeRun. So today also the same strategy which we are applied here, but here I am going to do on paper trade basis. Let's do it. Right now it is running a 700 rupees loss per lot. So we have, it will take our position automatically from this TradeRun, that is a algo trading platform. From this platform you can directly trade from what are the strategies you can create here, you can do it with them. Okay, so that is what the simple and yet powerful Bank Nifty option selling strategy which gives on intraday basis. I hope this may be a useful video to you all, and thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much.